Senzo Mkhunu's unexpected alliance, a deep dive into his unexpected alliance. You guys know that Senzo Mkhunu is currently the police minister in South Africa, but of course has been put on what is called a special leave or a leave of absence. Right? Literally, of course, it's a suspension with pay and benefits. Okay? So let us look at his unexpected alliance. The alliances that he has forged in the process, in his political career, past and present. Okay? Let's get to it. All right. So the Senzo Mkhunu's unexpected alliance is a powerful summary of the current political crisis engulfing the suspended police minister, right? So it does not necessarily refer or just limited only to traditional political partnership, but it also extends to a controversial and allegedly criminal one, right? So the unexpected alliance is the alleged link between Senzo Mkhunu and a businessman named Brown Mokgotsi, a figure now at the center of a major scandal involving criminal syndicates and tender fraud. Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansund. So let's get to it, guys. Number one, the core of the unexpected alliance, the link to Brown Mokgotsi. The alliance that has brought down Senzo Mkhunu's political career is his alleged relationship with Brown Mokgotsi, a politically connected businessman with a controversial past. The contradictory statements. The scandal began with Mkhunu making contradictory statements about his relationship with Mokgotsi. In a sworn testimony before the police portfolio committee in parliament, Mkhunu denied knowing Mokgotsi. I hope you can still remember that. Actually, there's even a clip that's doing the rounds, right? But whenever or however, when faced with explosive allegations made by the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, that Mokgotsi was linked to criminal syndicate and had access to classified police documents, Mkhunu publicly reversed his position. He admitted to knowing Mokgotsi, referring to him as a comrade. The untold story of an alliance. This reversal is at the heart of the scandal. It has created the perception that Senzo Mkhunu was trying to hide a crucial relationship. And critics argue that Mkhunu's alliance with Brown Mokgotsi is an old, politically convenient one that has now come back to haunt him. Mokgotsi was and is a key campaigner for President Cyril Ramaphosa and was a key campaigner in President Cyril Ramaphosa's successful 2017 ANC presidential bid at the Nasrec one. A campaign that Mkhunu was also a part of, was on the same slate. In that slate, he was the Secretary General. Of course, you know, he lost to Ace Magashule. So the unexpected alliance is the alleged link between a high-ranking politician and a figure whose name has been implicated in a criminal syndicate. The allegations and consequences of the alliance. The existence of this alleged alliance, right? So the existence of this alleged unexpected alliance has had severe consequences for Mchunu and has triggered a national crisis. Accusations of political interference. The KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, has accused Senzo Mchunu of using his alliance, or rather of using this alliance, to interfere in police operations. Mkhwanazi's claims suggest that Mchunu's relationship with Mokgotsi was not just social but was used to influence significant police tenders, including a cancelled 360 million SAPS contract for medical services. Mkhwanazi further alleged that Mchunu's actions were part of a larger effort to protect politically connected individuals. Criminal charges and investigations. Mchunu's contradictory statements have led to legal and political action. The Democratic Alliance, DA, has laid criminal charges against him for allegedly lying to Parliament, which is a criminal offense on its own. Right? The Public Protector's Office is also investigating a complaint against him regarding whether he misled Parliament and if he had acted improperly by enabling Mokgotsi to interfere in police operations. The Madlanga Commission. President Cyril Ramaphosa's response to the scandal was to place Senzo Mchunu on a leave of absence and to establish a judicial commission of inquiry led by Acting Deputy Chief Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. This commission's mandate is to investigate the infiltration of the criminal justice system by criminal syndicates, and Mchunu's alleged alliance with Mokgotsi is expected to be a central focus of the probe. Right? So, of course, Mchunu has denied. There's been denial of wrongdoing. Mchunu, of course, has consistently denied any wrongdoing or any direct involvement in the alleged criminal syndicate. He has stated that this relationship with Mokgotsi was that of a comrade and was not of a nature that would allow Mokgotsi to influence the police. That's what Mchunu has said. Okay? So in conclusion, what we are having is a crisis of accountability. The scandal is a powerful case study in the crisis of accountability within South Africa's political system. The fact that a minister could be accused of lying to Parliament and having links to criminal syndicates, and that a formal judicial inquiry was required to investigate the matter, highlights the deep-seated problems facing the country. The alliance is a symbol. The unexpected alliance is a symbol of a deeper problem. The alleged blurring of the lines between political power, state tenders, and criminal networks. The outcome of the Madlanga Commission will be a crucial test of whether South Africa can hold its most powerful political figures accountable. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please remember to join to become a pay member. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.